next item we're going to ask Ayla about would be minutes. So I'm going to go to my Board of Trustees and to my minutes page. And if I click on Ayla Ask Me Anything, she knows that I want to ask information about this page. And I click on the minutes so she knows that that is the document that I want to ask questions about. And I'm going to just ask her a few general questions that I might want to know as a trustee instead of having to read through the entire minutes. So I'm saying, remind me what the discussion was about the outgoing principal officer, please. And she says, the minutes of the Retirement Fund Committee held on this day do not specifically mention a discussion about the outgoing principal officer. The meeting primarily focused on the selection of a replacement for the outgoing deputy principal officer or deputy chairperson, Mrs. Tandi Lamini, and other agenda items such as the communication. So that is very helpful for me to know. And then I'm going to ask, please show the people responsible to action the items and underneath them in bullets their action item as well as when it is due. So she's creating a little action report for me. This can be used by the consultants, for instance. And you can see she's processing. So she's working through my entire set of minutes and you can see how fast that was. So she says Lindiwe has to draft that announcement for the deputy chairperson. That person has to assume the role of deputy chairperson pending formal board approval. So you can see she explains it really nicely, and where the board specifically mentioned dates, you can see she adds that in for us as well.